Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JOLAS Pop. It's me, Aretha, aka Riri. So this is going to be a quick video, but before I jump into the project, let me shout out Cricut for being a wonderful system helping me build my t-shirt line, the JOLAS brand. But I have been challenged. One of my customers wants stickers done for her company and she wants them done on glossy sticker paper. I did try it out and the Cricut machine would not read those registration lines because the paper is so glossy and it interferes with the sensor. So thanks to another YouTube content creator, Designs with Liv, shout out to her. I learned that you can hack the Cricut machine into reading those registration lines. So I'm gonna leave a link. I'm gonna leave a link for Liv down in the description box below. And so yeah, let me change the angle of my camera. And here's the project printed out. Be sure to let it sit at least 15 minutes when it's right out of the printer. You want to make sure the ink is set in well. Grab your matte scotch tape. Remember, you're going to cover the registration lines to get the Cricut machine to cut the stickers, to read the registrations. Make sure you get them all covered well. You have to cover the entire sheet all the way around. Cover the top here. Okay. And because it didn't work for me the first time, I don't know if adding an extra layer of the tape would help, but I'm definitely gonna try it and see what happens. Get it covered all the way around. I told you guys this didn't work for me the first time, so I cannot wait until it's done to see what results we get. Let me put an extra layer on there. Then again, I could be doing something wrong by overdoing it, but who knows? We'll see. We'll find out. So now you want to place your paper on the cutting mat. Make sure you line it up well. Get it just where it's supposed to be, right in the corner. Here we go. All right, almost there. You can move it up just a little. Just a little. I think it's lined up. Well, okay. Here we go. Make sure it's down nice and even and smooth. Setting the Cricut machine to light cardstock setting. This setting will allow the sticker paper to cut all the way through. So I have my fingers crossed. It seems as if the Cricut is reading the registration lines quite well, so we shall see. Wow, it's cutting. take it out and take a look. Wow. They got them all nice and cut. So I'll lift, and it should cut completely through with the light cardstock setting. So as I lift off the paper, the stickers should remain on the cutting mat. Voila. Way to go. I did it. Yay. And there you have it. Okay. So I tricked the Cricut machine into reading the registration lines. Can you guys see that? Let's have a look at the cut. It's nice and precise. Hey, wait a minute. Nice, precise? Those are rhyming words. Oh yeah, I gotta remind myself, I was a public school teacher for 17 years. Anyway, thank you for stopping by my channel, watching the video. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. And if you're not too busy, hop over to my website and check out some of my JOLAS merch. Thank you, bye-bye, see you in the next video.